Good day everyone, especially to our Agras instructor, Mr. Eugene D. Dudungan. We are here to present our research proposal titled Effects of Organic and Inorganic Mulches on Soil Retention in the Growth of Eggplant or Solanum melongena. Brinjal or mas kilala nga talong or eggplant here sa Philippines is a valuable crop whose growth and yield are significantly influenced by soil moisture, which can be improved through mulching. Organic mulches enhance soil fertility and moisture retention, while inorganic mulches are effective in moisture conservation and weed control but lack nutrient benefits. This study aims to compare the effects of organic and inorganic mulches on soil moisture retention and brinjal growth to identify the most effective method for improving productivity. So the objective of the study aims to answer the following questions. First is to evaluate the effects of organic and inorganic mulches on soil moisture retention during the cultivation of brinjal. Second is to assess the influence of different types on the growth of brinjal, including parameters such as plant height. And lastly is to compare the efficiency of organic versus inorganic mulches in enhancing soil physical properties and supporting sustainable brinjal production.
Good day, sir. This is a summary of our RRL. The review of related literature explores various studies and findings related to the use of organic fertilizer in enhancing the growth and productivity of brinjal. Importance of brinjal. Brinjal is recognized for its nutritional and economic value, being widely cultivated and consumed, especially in tropical and subtropical regions. Organic fertilizer versus chemical fertilizer. Numerous studies have shown that organic fertilizers such as compost, vermicompost, and animal manure not only improve soil fertility but also enhance plant growth, yield, and fruit quality compared to chemical fertilizer. Organic fertilizer contribute a long-term soil health by improving its physical structure and microbial activity. Thus, soil and plant health literature support that organic matter boosts soil nutrient availability, water retention, and aeration. This benefit leads to better root development and nutrient uptake in brinjal plants. Sa environmental and health benefits, organic fertilizer are seen as eco-friendly and sustainable. They reduce the risk of soil degradation, pollution, and health hazards associated with synthetic chemicals. Sa previous research finding, the RRL reference several studies where organic treatments leads to increased plant height, number of fruits, fruit size, and yield in brinjal plants. Moreover, it is emphasized that integrating different types of organic fertilizer can result in synergistic effects.
So let's move on to the materials and methods. So the location of our study was conducted at Barangay Maparat, Compostela, Davao de Oro, in agricultural field, a community characterized by a clay loam soil and a tropical climate. So the area experiences an average temperature range of 24 to 32 degrees Celsius and a moderate to high rainfall throughout the year, making it suitable for brinjal cultivation. So in our experimental design and treatments, we use a randomized complete block design. Thus RCBD was used with 3 treatments replicated 3 times. So each plot measured 1 meter by 1 meter with a 0.5 meter spacing between subplots to prevent mulch interference. So the study tested the effects of 2 types of mulching materials. So sa among treatment 1, moto siya ang control, which is no mulch. Sa treatment 2 naman, ang organic mulch, which we use rice straw. And then sa treatment 3, inorganic mulch, we use a black polyethylene sheet. In our plant material, ang brinjal or commonly nga gitanatawag na to in Bisaya, which is ang talong, or in English name, eggplant. The seeds of commonly used local variety were germinated in seed trays and transplanted after 2 to 3 weeks. When seedling had 3 to 4 true leaves, one healthy seedling was transplanted per plant hole, so with spacing of 50 cm between sa plant. Sa soil preparation naman and mulching application, so ang field was thoroughly plowed and harrowed to ensure nga uniform iyang seedbed. Organic and inorganic mulches were applied evenly across the designated plots immediately after transplanting. So ang mulch was maintained throughout the experimental period. So for our data collection, the following parameters are recorded. So first is the soil moisture content in percent. Second is the soil temperature in degrees Celsius. Third is the plant height in centimeter. Fourth is the number of leaves and branches. And lastly is the soil retention and erosion control indicator. So for our statistical analysis, collected data were analyzed using the analysis of variance or the ANOVA to determine significant differences among treatments. So ang means were compared using less significant difference or the LSD at 5% level of significance. And that's all for our research proposal. Thank you.